Hello everybody and welcome to another pomade review. So the pomade that we're going to be looking at today is Prospectors Crude Oil Based. So Prospectors pomade is a fairly new line of products, and before in the past they've had one pomade and it was their water base, and it was just called Prospectors pomade, and you can check out that review right here. So this is their expansion into oil-based pomades. What I loved about the original Prospectors pomade was it had hemp oil in it, and it didn't dry out your hair even though it was water based. And also, it was very, very light, very clean. And to me, now that I know about the Damon Barber lines, it was like a cheaper version of Damon Barber, which is awesome. So this is, once again, they're oil-based. And so right off the bat, I have to say with the other Prospectors pomade, and they also came out with another one along with this, which is their iron ore, which is the heavier holding water base. Packaging is just incredible. I absolutely love it. I mean, every little fine detail has just gone into this stuff to make it incredible. And even right down to the Prospectors label is imprinted on there, and just incredible, fabulous, fabulous packaging. And it's really what caught my eye and what made me want to purchase this. So, just incredible. Some of the best packaging I've ever seen. So, on the inside, it's kind of this purpley kind of color, and the scent is very average, clean, cologne smelling scent. Different from the other Prospectors water base. Just a very average smelling, musky cologne kind of scent. So, there you go. But anyway, I'll show you how it scoops out. Scoops out pretty easy, bit greasy, and this is a medium. So it goes in the hands, really, really nice, easy breakdown, and goes in the hair really nice too. So as far as this product, oh, and also I have 1 day buildup on my hair, and buildup is quite clean actually. I was surprised at the buildup and how clean it was. But yeah, emulsifying it in the hands and putting it in the hair, very very easy. But then again, at the same time, I do feel like it is very average and somewhat standard to what can be seen in a sticky medium pomade. So, if this makes any sense, this is a good pomade. There's no arguing it that this is bad. There's in no way is this a bad product. But I do feel like it is somewhat of a safer approach to a sticky medium pomade. In that, I just see it as very basic and average. Do I think it's good? Yeah. But do I think it's changing the market? No. But still, as you can see, slicks down the hair is real nice, real tight, because of that nice stickiness to it. But yeah, it's very, this product I see is very standard. But still does have good qualities to it. So, as you see, combs back real nice, and I'm going to form my pompadour, and yesterday I was able to get a nice round shape, which is good. So got a nice looking pomp going. And another thing that is just a little bit different other than the other ones is I did notice that when you're in direct sunlight it is pretty shiny. Not really light pomade shine, but better than average medium shine. So that is one thing that makes it stand out. I do say, as I was saying about this stuff being very, average and basic and not stepping many boundaries, the two things that I do think that it does a bit differently that is nice is that the shine is quite good when you're in direct sunlight, and the buildup is quite clean, which is nice. But, and another thing Prospectors they're known for is they're infused with hemp oil. But, I'm actually not sure if this one is. You know, I looked at the ingredients and I didn't see hemp oil on there unless there's some wacky chemical that has that what hemp oil stands for. I can't see it in the ingredients. But that is what made the original so great. And it was very different and, you know, stepped the boundaries. But this one, I'm not getting that. I just feel like I'm putting in any other medium that's nice and sticky. You know, is it good? Yeah, it's good. But is it drastically different? No. And with that said, I'll go to my final verdict on Prospectors crude oil based. Once again, is it a bad pomade? No, far from it. It is still a good pomade. But is it changing the world? Is it stepping boundaries? No. So, you know, I think if you are into getting just very standard, very normal, very, you know, not very different kind of medium that's just sticky, good shine, good buildup, I think you'd check out Prospectors crude oil based.